Hello, ma'am.
Hello, sir.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning.
So, ma'am, I have an inquiry that are you speaking from the Max Hospital?
Yes, sir. I am speaking from the Mass Hospital. What is your query, sir?
Okay, ma'am. So now I have a heart patient that my brother's situation is not good. So just I have to come in a hospital. That I recently called the ambulance, but he didn't pick up my call. That's why I have a critical situation. So can you pick up my patient?
Yes, sir.
That can you send
come,
me?
You can come because it's an emergency situation. I can manage the call to the ambulance driver. So you can come at least in the 5 minutes. Ambulance will come at your home.
Okay, ma'am. So I don't have too much time for because my brother is paying too much and that okay. So he got a heart attack. That it's the first time that it will come again. Second time that it's a very critical situation that I need the hospital and ma'am in the emergency that in which time that I can come.
Sir, you can come till now because it's an emergency situation and we have the best doctor who has done their cardiologist in a very good colleges. So you can come in at least maybe the 5 to 10 minutes. Sir, what is your location? May I know that?
Okay, so ma'am, my location is the Noida.
So and sir, that you will take maybe the 30 minutes because it's a far away from the Delhi to the the Noida. But I managed to call the ambulance driver, so you can come.
Okay, ma'am. That's why I said to you that send me ambulance because if I will come my personal car, that it will take so many time because of the traffic. That's why I have an emergency. And ma'am, what is the fees of that emergency?
So sir, it's a 20,000 because it's emergency and we have the world's best and the India's best cardiologist. That's why our fees is 20,000.
Okay, ma'am. So in advance, I have to pay the 20,000.
Yes, sir. You have to pay the 20,000. After that, what is your query and what kind of the things you are facing, or what kind of the problem your patient is facing? After that, we will decide what kind of the fee you have to pay.
Okay, ma'am. So just send me the ambulance because now I'm collecting my 20,000 that I will submit in your cash counter and that you will admit my patient because the situation is not good.
Sir, you can come in a 30 minutes because I have my one branch in the Noida. So ambulance will come at your home maybe the 5 minutes. You can come, sir. It's emergency. Don't worry. I will manage to call the ambulance driver.
Okay, so ma'am, I have one request for you back that my patient it will come on the hospital, so don't take an inquiry too much because I don't have a time. If you will take an inquiry, that it could be situation could be create more and more critical because I don't have a time. So don't take a too much inquiry that you have to submit these things because directly I will pay the money in the 20,000 and my patient will go in the emergency room and you will start to treatment.
So in case of emergency, we never do any kind of the formalities because it's an emergency case. Any kind of the things happen. That's why don't worry, sir. We will manage the whole kind of the things. You have to just come at my hospital.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you for saying that because it's a good. And so, ma'am, in the Max Hospital, that I listened that there is so many heart patient who came there that he got a good treatment from in a one time.
Yes, sir. We can provide that kind of the facility. Don't worry. You have to never feel any kind of the bad things in my hospital because in case of emergency, we never find any kind of the lots of formalities. We always do the focus on the patient, what kind of the things they are facing in their life and what kind of the problem in the emergency. Don't worry, sir, because in case of emergency, we don't have time. Patient don't have time. That's why we always focus on what is the main problem.
Okay, ma'am. So thank you for that because I listened that my Max Hospital is good. That's why I called to you. And so, ma'am, just send me ambulance because I don't have a time to talking too much. That my patient is paying too much and it is a critical situation more and more. That send me ambulance.
Sir, don't worry.
How much time it will take?
Sir, it will take maybe the 2 minutes because I said it will take the 5 minutes because before the 5 minutes and the 10 minutes ago I managed to call to the ambulance driver.
Okay, so ma'am, just send because that I have so many problem, and that ma'am I am collecting my 20,000 that I will pay, and then after that, ma'am, how much money you will take from my side?
So according to the patient situation, I will tell you what kind of the money you have to deposit in the hospital. So after the treatment, we will discuss about that kind of the things.
In your hope that how much money?
Sir, our charge is 50,000. If you are any emergency, we have any kind of find any emergency in my hospital. So on that time, first of all, we have to go in the emergency, and our senior doctor always watch to the patient. And what is the situation is critical, we will charge the 1 lakh if it is not the critical. So on that time, we will think that it's a normal. So on that time, we do the normal surgery. So on the time, it charges the 50,000.
So ma'am, how can you say that you are taking a 1 lakh? It's a critical situation because it's a government hospital. You are a government employee. That you think about the people. You should.
Sir, I know I am a government employee, but sir, it's a charge of my hospitals or director and the or senior doctor decided that kind of the thing. So sorry, as a receptionist, I am telling to whole kind of the things. So sir, that is the situation in my hospital.
Okay, so ma'am, if I don't have a 1 lakh rupees, that you will not give me treatment.
Sir, I will give you treatment because we will give you some time because we are a doctor and we always
Ma'am,
say
what
to
is the
the
hospitality that you are taking a 1 lakh, that if I have a critical situation,
Sir, I said
that
to
some money is
after-
not big for the human, because you know the human you have to give up. You are a government employee, that you should think about that we have a scheduled situation that you should need a more less money that you can give a treatment. You know, you like a god, so you should think. But you are taking up more than, you are demanding the more than money 1 lakh. That how can I submit the 1 lakh?
Sir, I am not saying to like you have to deposit 1 lakh. I am saying to the after the surgery and what is your problem, its situation is critical. So on that time I will decide that what kind of the money you have to deposit in my hospital. If you have the heart bypass surgery, suppose your patient is very situation in the critical. So on that time we will decide what is the problem. After that we will tell you have to deposit that kind of the things. I am not saying to that in the starting you are coming in my hospital and you have to deposit the 1 lakh.
Okay, so after giving treatment that you will take the 1 lakh rupees.
No sir, I am not. If heart bypass surgery will happen, so on that time I will take the 1 lakh.
Okay, so
Otherwise,
ma'am,
you are taking the normal treatment. Maybe that you want to do the checkup of your patient. So
ma'am, I am not a doctor, that I don't know what is the problem of that my brother. That so how can I say that it is a normal problem or a critical situation, that you have to check.
Sir, you
And
said
you
to me
should-
that in case of emergency, it's an emergency case. That's why I can't decide that you have to deposit that kind of the money. If
because
I-
his breathing is stopped, that he is not able to taking a proper breathing. That's why I'm saying to you that it is an emergency, but I don't know what is the problem he's facing inside the heart.
Sir, same things I don't know because I'm not a doctor.
Ma'am, so I'm coming that your ambulance have came in my home, that I am reaching your hospital, that I will talk to their front
Yes
of.
sir, you can come. We will provide you best facilities in India. So sir, don't worry. We will manage the whole kind of the things.
Okay ma'am, thank you for that.